Hello, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Lewis the Tech Guy. In today's video, I came across this gradient effect that I wanted to share with you. This is a cool little trick, really easy to implement to make this nice cool effect in your backgrounds. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so what do we got here? I'm just going to close this real quick. I'm going to bring this over. So what do we have? We're starting off with a simple template right here. The same one that we're all used to seeing. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this from a center to a container. That's the first thing we're going to do. And then we're going to give it a width of double infinity. And we're going to give it, and this is so easy, it won't even be a 5-minute video maybe. We're going to give it a box decoration. And in the box decoration, we're going to use our gradient effect. And for this one, we're going to give it a linear gradient, but you can give it a radial gradient, which maybe I'll talk about later. And then in here, we're going to give it the color. So we're going to give it a list of colors. So if you come over here and you do Control Q, you look at the documentation, it's looking for a list type of colors. So that's what it wants. It wants a list of colors. So in here, we're going to say colors dot green, and then colors dot blue, and we're going to say where do we want it to start. So begin, and if you control space bar, oh, never mind. I thought it would give me the options. So we're going to say alignment. We're going to use the alignment property. We want it to stop, let's say top right. And then we want it to end. If we have a beginning, we must have an end. We want it to end alignment dot lower bottom left. All right, so we're gonna hot reload this and come back and look at that. Beautiful. Now I haven't tried this yet, but I'm pretty sure you could put in more colors if you want. So let's try colors dot red. All right, hot reload that. Come back over here and look at that. It starts off with red, or starts off with green at the top because we say we want it to start at the top right, and on the bottom left it ends up with red. So quick little easy trick to get some nice cool effects. Let's say we wanted, let's put another color in there. Let's put purple. Purple. Oh, purple accent. Let's get fancy with it. Purple accent. Look at that. Almost looks like a rainbow. So that's pretty cool. As mentioned, you could do a radial gradient. So let's get rid of this and say we want a radial gradient. And in the radial gradient, we're going to say same thing. We're just going to put a list of colors, and the colors are going to be colors.purple accent, colors dot red, colors dot orange. Hot reload that, and look at that. Beautiful. And our functionality still works. I think that's nice. That is pretty cool. Yeah, so you could play around with it. You could, I think it's a simple trick just to add some flavor to your application. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe. Please like. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see. Take care. Have a good day.